Hello everyone, myself Shib Sahu of class 10th Orchid, and today I am going to discuss with you about the most trending topic on the internet, that is Titan submersible. So first of all, we need to understand the difference between a submersible and a submarine. A submersible is a type of submarine which can carry up to 5 people and can last under the water for 7 to 8 hours. Whereas a submarine is a type of machine which can travel in the water for 6 to 7 months and carry 100 and more people. The main difference between a submarine and a submersible is that a submarine can carry 100 and more people and can launch from the port by its own and can come back. Whereas a submersible cannot launch it from the port and cannot come back on its own, as it has less power resources. It needs a mothership to transport it inside the water from the middle of the ocean. Coming to the main topic, Titan submersible was manufactured by a company named OceanGate. OceanGate manufactures many such submersibles. The Titan submersible has got its name from the name of the ship Titanic. Titanic was sunk in 1914 and was divided into two parts under the water. This submersible was going to see the wreck of the Titanic under 12,000 feet. After some time, it was transferring signals to the mothership every 15 minutes. It started its journey on 18th of June at 9:30 am. It was supposed to transfer the signals after every 15 minutes, but after 2 hours, it stopped transferring signals to the mothership. So the people on the mothership asked for help from US Coast Guard and Canadian government. After 3 days of constant search operation, the submersible was found under the ocean, which was North Atlantic Ocean. It was found near the Titanic's wreck, just near 500 meters. It is said that the ship, which means the submersible, imploded within 20 milliseconds due to the pressure of the ocean. This pressure was equivalent to 6,000 pounds per square inch, which was about the pressure made by 1 lakh elephants. As the submersible imploded within 20 milliseconds, it was a very less time for a human brain to detect pain, and all the people under the submersible died a painless death. Many accusations were on the OceanGate company, as the submersible should be manufactured from the steel or aluminum type of metal, as it is very strong metal, but it was manufactured by a metal named carbon fiber, and this is also very strong, but it is used in making aeroplanes. As it cannot handle the pressure of ocean, the ship imploded and all the people died. So that's all from my side. Thank you.